Today's video totally will be a random video. Usually every day I do ride sharing video. uh, it is not my main job, and I do ride sharing to make my content plus earn some extra money. I will try to upload a regular daily vlog video that I do in my daily life. And now I'm going to a shop where I'll change my money. I have to open my shoe here. জুতা খুলতে হবে? I have to open my shoe, then I have to enter the shop. I'll withdraw my biggest money from here. What are you doing? What's your name? তোমার নাম কি? What? Again. Again. What's your name? তোমার নাম কি? আরেকবার বলো। আয়ান হা। Okay. What is it? What is the name of this? My friend was telling me to sell my bike only for 50,000 taka, but it is very less amount. I told him, if you want to buy my bike, then you have to pay me 80,000 taka, because if I sell this only for 50,000 taka, then I won't buy any bike, because it is very low amount for buy a bike. It is very weird road. Always on this road I can see water, and it is not good water, it is bad black water. And now I am going to Konapara. Oh, what is this? From both sides rickshaws are coming. I am going to Konapara to buy apple. আরে সাইড দাও না। He was trying to go ahead from me, but they are very bad driver. Those people drive rickshaw. Oh, black black cat. I love these types of cats. Now I have come near the apple shop, where I will keep my bike. What is this? This very weird thing for me. I have to turn right, but how I will turn? Oh, it is really annoying thing for me. Okay, I turned right. Huge traffic jam is happening here. I don't like this. I don't like riding my bike in this huge traffic jam. I have to go opposite side of the road. How can I go there? It's very good if I go this route, then I will buy something. Okay, where I will park my bike. I'll park my bike here. Okay. Now I'll go to the food shop. Let me sit. From which shop I'll buy, I can understand. I saw a boy. Okay, I've seen him. Hey, दाराओ जाओ जाओ जाओ. Are you selling bad product? Apple no apple. How much this one? How much this one for 1 kilo? এটা কত 1 কেজি? একটু কম রাখো 350 রাখো. 1 কেজি দিও. Okay, I bought this finally. 1 kilo for 350 টাকা. I took more some 1 kilo. So he took from me 30 or 20 taka more. All rickshaws are making traffic jam here. They are causing traffic jam every time because their amount is pretty high and they are gradually increasing on road. Hey, go fast. In my country, maximum people can't understand if I talk to English. I am not a fluent English speaker as well, but those who are sailor types of people and rickshaw puller, they don't know English, so that's why I can't my video very clearly. If they could talk to English, then video will be more better. than the present situation. Whatever, it's not a big deal. And I will stop my video here, and I won't do my video very long. Allah Hafiz.